Morning, girlfriend. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to have you back. Today we are browsing Walmart. I want to see if they have any new hygiene, if there's anything that stands out. I don't really need anything, but you know, you can never have too much. So let's go check it out. Let's see what's new.
We go forever now. We go forever now.
So the first thing I see is that Walmart is following suit from Target's like $1 section. And they actually have some cute things. I see these little mugs that say, "Be nice to yourself." Super, super cute. For $3, they have these foot masks and tan masks that are infused with coconut oil. They have this hydrogel lip mask. This is cute. Cute. They have exfoliating body scrubs, glow face mask. I'm gonna have to take some time out and look at these ingredients, baby. Nice. So they also have these dry brushes, and then an essential oil blend. Some exfoliating washcloth. Some little $1.97 loofahs. So this is the brand that I use for my pads, and the L brand, I didn't know they had foaming wash. So I'm definitely gonna have to try that out with no fragrances, no dyes, no sulfates. And then they have these pH balance wipes. So I'm gonna have someone open this up so I can check it out. Okay, so they also have this row of fresh spray deodorants. I'm assuming you just spray these in your undies. I have tried that brand again, the Honey Pot Co. and the Sensitive Wash, and they have the Panda Spray. So that might not be a bad idea to try. Okay, so we are now at body washes. I'm in the men's section. If I'm talking loud, it's because the music is very loud. So they have Harry's Body Wash. And then I'm seeing this Dove Plus Manicure and all these new scents. So they have the Awakened Turmeric Ginger Roots, Wind Down with Ashwagandha and White Lavender. And this one smells pretty decent. The Sandalwood and Cardamom Oil. Look at y'all, man. It's gonna be able to smell like something now. And not like Axe. Shea Moisture has some new body washes. Turn these. This is a rinse off body conditioner. Plus retinol and B3. And they have it in this scent as well. So I'm gonna try this Dove Brown Sugar and Coconut exfoliating body butter. That smells so good. And it's a deep polish. See there? It smells really good. And they have all of the other basic Dove polishes as well. all the body butters. Okay, so Dove, look at you. Tea tree, lemongrass. These are free of aluminum and parabens. Sandalwood. That probably smells good. Okay, so these definitely smell very earthy. Very, very earthy. I didn't care for them. But this Dr. Teal's smells pretty decent. This Dr. Teal's eucalyptus deodorant smells pretty good. And this one smells really good too. Look at this, old school. Who used to apply apricot scrub to their face? Don't lie. That's so crazy. It's so aggressive, and we used to really apply that to our face, y'all. Look at Dr. Bronner's adding a freaking pump to their soap. Smart, smart. That's all I can say. Because I've definitely overused my soap that didn't have a pump, but they only have it in these 3 scents. This scent looks fairly new to me. It's just eucalyptus, but I don't think I've seen it in the brown bottle. I don't know. So yeah, I was an OG Jergens fan forever, but I would only use the basics. For years, I only used the basics. Now they have some some more fragrance ones. These smell so good and fruity, y'all. So here's a new one. This is in Tropical Treat, and the packaging is so cute. And then they have the essential oil collection as well. So you have citrus, eucalyptus mint, lavender, and rose. Look at, ooh, this. Let me smell this one. And then they have this for hands. And then we have Olay here with their vitamin C collection. This one has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and collagen. And then we have some Dove options up here. We have one for sensitive skin. And this. Okay, so this mango and almond butter one smells exactly like the body polish. So it may be a great addition to add on top. It smells really good. So a lot of people swear by this Egyptian mask. It's a cream, all-purpose skin cream. I have not tried it, but they only have this one left. So I think I'm going to give it a try and let you guys know what I think. So Dr. Teal's has this black elderberry scrub. It doesn't smell too good to me, honestly, personally. And then Equate has this watermelon sugar scrub. I want to see what it looks like. This actually smells really good. And it's only $5.98. Okay, so I made a short recently on how like intimates are so underrated. In like the self-care world, but how cute are these? So, you know, with any like discount type store, it's always a hit or miss on quality, but these feel really good. So it's by Hanes, and they have the matching brief set. They also like have that same type in yellow. These are so soft. These are so cute, y'all. I'm not even kidding. To just lounge at home, these are so cute. And then black. These are cute as hell. I know we have die-hard Victoria's Secret girls, but come on. For $10, this is cute. And it's nice quality. This one is cute as well. I'm not a fan of like over padding, but they have cute ass options for $10. Like you don't have to go and spend $50 on like your Victoria's Secret. I mean, you can, like, it's cute as hell, but the Walmart has all these cute options as well. For the basic galleys, they have basic blacks, greens, purple, and all your neutral colors. So check it out. If there's a Walmart in your area, you can save some coins, but you need some new undergarments, definitely check it out. So on my shorts, I posted about this rollout sale. Like, you cannot go wrong. These are some little boy shorts. Then they have some little, oh, these are cheeky. Hello, sunshine. Different one.